there are certain calls that you have to make that are very tough, right? जिसमें शायद बहुत सारे स्टेक होल्डर्स ऑन बोर्ड नहीं है, राइट? शायद एक ऐसा डिसीजन है जो, of course there's great intent, there's great objectives that you want to achieve, but everybody doesn't see that today, right? And as a leader, as someone who has that experience, जिनका सॉफ्टवेयर अपग्रेड होता रहा है, as that person you probably know that this is something that everybody might not be able to understand today, but say 1 year or say whatever timeline down the line, they will realize that this was a thought process and this must have made sense. So in that situation, जब हालांकि यहाँ पे थोड़ा कोऑपरेटिव एनवायरनमेंट भी होता है जहाँ पे यू हैव टू हैव सर्टेन स्टेक होल्डर्स ऑन बोर्ड, how do you still manage to take certain tough calls, and when do you also decide not to say make a call even when you feel that this is something that should be done?
Okay, one is your past results, your past leadership creates impact. Let me tell you, and this is a fact of life. Matlab, no leader will accept this, but uh, you know, if you are having some success behind you, it is it is always easier to get things moved in the system. But if you have a baggage of, or I would say you have some failures, then that is the real challenge. When you're not successful, then to get things moving around is difficult. Coming to your this thing, how to handle it? See, the best way is before a meeting, one on one, try to align people. Why I'll tell you? Because when, see, there are leaders who prefer to call a meeting and then they share something, and most of the people are blank faced. And that is why, if you remember in past, at least I used to, we all, even when I learned, when I was learning or when I was young with, and my bosses, they used to say that send a pre-read. मैं सोचता था वाई कि क्या प्री रीड क्यों भेजते हैं यार, जो सवाल पूछना है उन्होंने वहां पूछना है. बट यू नो व्हाट आई अंडरस्टैंड इज व्हेन यू सेंड अ प्री रीड and when you go and talk to your peer group, see, as I said, the most challenging and difficult task is to manage your peer group. तो peer group के लिए क्या होता है, you will have to sit with him, and doesn't matter it कि आपको उसके साथ ऑफिशियली बैठना है. यू कैन हैव ए कॉफी कॉर्नर डिस्कशन, you can just while having a walk, while having lunch, but you will have to show and give your thought process to him and understand. And maybe if he is giving you some inputs before a presentation, think on that. You may not agree to him, but at least while presenting, you will have a counter answer to him, which you feel that this is a logical answer, जिससे मैं उसको convince कर सकता हूँ. So all these things are important. And as I said, ownership. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज ओनरशिप. किसी भी नए प्रोजेक्ट को लेने के लिए, वो कहते हैं ना, एक पुराना शाहरुख का वो मूवी थी मैं हूं ना. सो यू नो, व्हेन यू आर स्टैंडिंग फॉर द पीपल, आई एम जस्ट सेइंग ऑन अ लाइटर वे, मैं हूं ना. दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन, आई वुड से, लीडरशिप, दैट द पीपल डाउन द लाइन, पीपल अलोंग विथ यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड, यार ये आदमी है. If something goes wrong, he is there to stand for you. Until there is a credibility issue, there is an integrity issue, this guy is there, he will stand for you. तो मैं कई बार मजाक में बोलता हूँ, वो शाहरुख का मैं हूँ होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. बिकॉज दैट इज द ट्रस्ट एंड कॉन्फिडेंस पीपल गिव. एंड जब आप किसी को ये कॉन्फिडेंस दे देते हो, यार गलत भी हो जाएगा ना, तो माई बॉस, माई सुपरवाइजर विल मैनेज इट, ही विल हैंडल इट. सो this is where that confidence and trust has to come. See, I am a great believer of the word trust. अगर trust है ना, everything can happen. Two things which makes people successful in life is trust. Second is timelines. In a corporate world, trust and timelines are very important. And then, as I said, trust. I jokingly say, मजाक में कहता हूँ मैं हूँ ना. तो मैं हूँ ना is not that I want to become a Shahrukh. What I am trying to say is, if anything goes wrong, I am there to support you guys. And that's the way businesses are built. इसी तरीके से आप कोई नया इनोवेशन लाते हो, because failures are there, but someone has to stand there and say कि yes, we have failed and I take the ownership, I take the responsibilities.
वंडरफुली क्यूरेटेड आर्टिकुलेटेड। दो चीज़ें जो सर ने बोली है, मैं उसको समराइज करने की अगर कोशिश करूँ, तो एक है कि वेन एवर यू आर ट्राइंग टू ऑन बोर्ड पीपल विद योर आइडिया, it's always good to by have a pre-read, in the sense have a context of the discussion that's going to happen. It's good to have had a conversation with people, say individually also, to try and understand their perspective, also make them feel valued, that their opinion also matters, right? And then the second one was ownership key, इवन एज एन इंडिविजुअल एंड नॉट एज अ लीडर, हैविंग दैट ओनरशिप की मेरे सुपरवाइजर को भी लगे कि ये है ना, जस्ट नॉट आपकी तरफ से, बट आपको भी ये फीलिंग आनी चाहिए कि ये बंदा है। सो एसेंशली दैट ओनरशिप एंड दैट ट्रस्ट, व्हेन यू पुट टुगेदर, दैट मेक्स अ रियली गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग।